Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Martha. Let us make chickpea salad. So now I'm gonna fry some chickpea, and this is my butter. Yes, we want the butter to have this bent consistency, right? And then I'm going to add the chickpeas. We are smoking the chickpeas, so I needed the heat to be that much, and then you keep stirring, and then you lower the heat. Lower the heat, and then we're going to season our chickpeas so that we can continue with our salad. So I'm going to add some paprika, about a teaspoon, and I'm going to add Aromat. And then I'm going to stir. These chickpeas are previously cooked, so they are cooked chickpeas. They were previously boiled. So we're just gonna cook them on low heat for a few minutes after lowering the heat. And yeah, there we have it, and then we can start with our salad. So in the same pot, we're going to add our peas as well for about 2 minutes with some seasoning, and we're going to assemble the salad. So I'm going to add the Aromat as well into our peas, and a teaspoon of water, and just 2 minutes, and we're gonna be done with our salad. So now we done, and we switching off the stove, and then we're going to assemble the salad. So let's get started. I have half a red onion and I'm going to slice it. You slice it thinly and we put it aside, and next up we have the cucumber, and we're going to slice it. So here's our cucumber, we also slice it. So here's our cucumber, and now I'm going to cut some tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes, into halves. And we've got some olives. We also cut into halves. They are pitted. So now we're done. Our olives are also cut into half, and the cucumber, we cut it into 4, and then we put into a clean bowl. So our cucumber is ready now, and I've put it inside the bowl. So I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, and we assemble our salad. So I'm adding the olives, and I'm adding the onion, I'm going to add the tomatoes last. So now it's this. And we mix. And these are our chickpeas, so I'm going to add our chickpeas. And then we add the garden peas, the sweet peas. And we mix. Your salad is looking lovely. So now I can add the tomato, and we have a very colorful salad. It's a very colorful salad. It's going to be very lovely. So I like to season my salad with Aromat. So I'm going to add a dressing to the salad. In here I added half lemon juice and a teaspoon of olive oil and some mustard, a teaspoon of mustard, and I'm going to dress the salad with this. And we mix our salad, our very lovely salad. It's colorful. So here we have it. A Mediterranean chickpea salad. Very colorful.